So I do some comedy in Calcutta. It's really tough competing with Mamta Banerjee. She's ruling the market over there. How many smokers in the audience? Give me a cough. Just two. Doctor's night out or something. I'm Bengali, so I'm a smoker by birth. And, I really get annoyed when people around me say things like, I don't smoke generally. I only smoke when I drink. These people are so annoying. They think two negatives make a positive. The alcohol and nicotine will go inside the system and produce milk. That's like saying I only cheat when I'm married. But I'm from Calcutta, I'm from Bengal, and would you guys agree that Bengal is not doing well in a lot of things? Yes, be it they're lagging behind other states, be it infrastructure, colleges, jobs, comedy, a lot of things, right? Have you guys noticed Bengal is lagging behind other states so much that even in our national anthem, amongst all the states, Bengal is last. Punjab, Sindh, Gujarat, Maratha, Dravida, Utkala. One of these places not even in India. Sindh is in freaking Pakistan. Still Bengal is below. I was talking about a national anthem earlier, and India obviously has a bunch of national symbols. In India, the rule is that if you're a national symbol, you're screwed. There is not a single national symbol that's doing well apart from adding to Derek O'Brien's list of quiz questions. I'll take you through the list. Like our national fruit, mango, alm, not doing well. Katrina Kaif is all over it. Our national animal, the tiger, not doing well. Tiger Shroff is all over it. Our national sport, hockey, not doing well. Our apathy is all over it. And if having a national animal was not enough, we Indians also have a national aquatic animal. Did you guys know about this? We have a national aquatic animal. Indians like to be specific in redundant things. Our national aquatic animal is the dolphin. And the official reason for it to be the national aquatic animal is because it can live in only clean water. Think about this for a while. And it is supposed to represent our national river, the Ganga. Clean water. Ganga. But recently, in the last year's budget, Modi announced 2,000 crores for the cleanliness of the Ganges, which is such a nice initiative, right? But I think the damage has already been done. So much dirtiness all through the decades. But back in the 70s, there was this man, a visionary, a man ahead of his time, who tried to send us the message of the dirtiness of the Ganga. His name was Raj Kapoor. But we could not see through the message. It's such an important message, right? Ram Teri Ganga Maili. That is the movie why we respect transparency so much. We want it in everything. Government में भी थोड़ा दे दो, कपड़े में भी रखा. The term grass is greener on the other side. It's one of my favorite sayings, grass is greener on the other side. I think that, it's human nature. Wherever you are, whoever you are, you always want to be someone better, right? Grass is greener on the other side holds true for everything. When you're driving a car, you always aspire to go to the next model, to upgrade to a next model. For example, if you're driving a Nano, you're always aspiring to go to the next model, a rickshaw. Grass is greener on the other side holds true for everything, I think. But there's one thing amongst all religions that people equally love, no matter from which religion they are, is a Christian wedding. You guys like Christian weddings, yes? It's so beautiful, right? So beautiful, Christian weddings. Walk down the aisle, class, grace, simplicity. You may now kiss the bride. The other night I was at a wedding and the bride was not crying during her vidai. Which is so good. No, she was happy. She found somebody without the help of Shaadi.com. She was happy. One oversmart relative went up to her, poked her, and said, "Thoda to rone jaisa shakal bana. In-laws kya sochenge?" You think the in-laws are standing in one corner, observing all this, and thinking, so this girl doesn't cry. Challenge accepted. And weddings have been traditionally considered to be, sexiest and biased against women, right? Because of dowry, sati, and similar other rhyming words. But I think, I think weddings are also biased against men. For example, you always hear the mother say, "I will give my shadi ka joda to my bahu." No father has ever said, "ये मेरा elastic धोती मैं अपना दामाद को दूंगा." Why are we always stealing the shoes from the groom? Why not steal something important on our big wedding day from the bride? Like a safety pin. Any MBAs in the audience? Your Anupam is your MBA? What's your name, ma'am? Sorry? Charu. From where have you done your MBA? NMIMS over here. Awesome. Like, I have this, I feel that MBA is a degree. MBA is a degree that teaches you how to do business by making a business out of you. This is an MBA lecture, right? Isn't that true? This is an MBA lecture. Today we will learn about sensible investments that will give you ROI in 3 years. Now your next semester fees are due. Please deposit 5 crores and a kidney. And Sumit was talking about IIT. I actually came across this website called IITIamshadi.com. You guys know about this? There's a matrimony portal called IIT. You don't know IIT wale? क्यों गया IIT फिर? क्या हो रहा है? I'm not making this up. Google this. IITIamshadi.com is an actual name for a matrimony site. And when I saw this, I was like, wow, this is such a great name for a matrimony portal. Because this is the exact sequence of events an Indian father is imagining when he's conceiving the child. Mera beta IIT, IIM, Shadi.com. Your parents are thinking exactly this. A more realistic version would be, mera beta IIT, IIM, Shadi, do bacche, home loan, EMI, depression, death because of stress at 45.com. And it's a very difficult website to get into, right? Because naam mein IIT IIM hai. For the login ID, you have to enter your cat percentile. And for the password, you have to solve an actual cat question. Pipe A takes 8 hours to fill the tank. Pipe B takes 10 hours to fill the tank. What is the color of the tank? Do you guys like soft instrumental music? You don't? But you don't. You're like EDM and all, like royalty. No. But I love soft instrumental music. I'm Bengali. मेरे को इसी से काम चलाना पड़ता है. But the best way for you to listen to soft instrumental music in the middle of the day for free is by calling your bank's customer care. The journey from calling that number and actually getting to speak to a person is so long. You can finish a Chetan Bhagat novel while you're on hold. Every customer care call is like this. You dial the number and you wait for a response, and then you get the automated response. Dear customer, thank you for taking 3 hours out from your busy schedule and calling us. For English, press 1. Hindi के लिए 2 दबाए. For English, which will end up being the language of conversation anyway, press 1 and 2 together. And then you move on to the automated part of the call, when you get the automated responses, automated options. To report loss of credit card, please end the call and pray. And then you have verification. You have to enter so many numbers because your phone number is not enough. Like, please enter your 16-digit debit card number. Please enter your 4-digit ATM PIN number. Please enter your class 10 board exam roll number. Please enter at which number Virat Kohli should be batting in the World Cup. And after all of this is done, you finally get to hear the world famous music on hold for free, right? You remember the tune that used to come like ta ra 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 ta ra 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 ta ra ra. You remember this tune? If you listen to this closely, this basically goes, "We are making a fool out of you. Ha 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 ha. How many Facebook users in the house? Give me a cheer, Facebook. Everyone. Make some noise, Facebook users, yes? Are you still on Orkut? Why? Where are you? You're on MySpace. I have MySpace is still there, yeah? You think so, but you're there. Well, what's your name, man? Amir? What do you do, Amir?
I just finished the IB program.
IB program. From where?
Singapore International.
Singapore International. That comes with an accent, I know it. Yeah. You're from
Only Singaporean in that school.
Really? In Singapore?
No, in Mumbai.
It's here, Singapore? Singapore has come to Bombay. It's in Dahisar of all places, and still you have that accent. Of course. And you're with your? Friend, of course. What's your name, ma'am?
Gia.
Gia? So how long have you been friend zoning him? Just 2 years. क्यों कर रहे हो अभी भी यार मेहनत दहीसर में सर्च करना टिंडर विंडर पे 150 kilometers or something. But Gia, are you on Facebook?
Yeah.
Okay, do you get a lot of creepy comments on Facebook?
Yes.
You do? Do you remember anything, recent, very creepy, very stupid?
I was told I'm a very cute creature.
Cute creature. Clearly that person is an animal, yeah. Are you sure it's not Amir? No, but I have this theory about Facebook that you can guess the relationship status of a guy by his Facebook activity on a girl's profile picture. It's a very simple test. Yeah, try this out, okay? If there's a guy who likes your profile picture and then comments on it, oh, wowie, stunning, God's creation, beauty, cute creature. He's single and desperate. And when you thank him for the kind compliments for the sake of the joke, and he continues the conversation saying, no, indeed, you're wow, photogenic, awesome. He is single, desperate, and optimistic. If there's a guy who doesn't like your profile picture on Facebook nor comment on it, but secretly WhatsApps you, hey, nice pic on Facebook, he's married. And if he continues the conversation on WhatsApp, he's married and optimistic. It's clearly not me. And whenever, I want to talk about this, since I'm on Facebook, honeymoon, I really get bothered by honeymoon pictures on Facebook. People go to their honeymoons and they come back and they upload 500 photos. It's like a travel agency brochure. Whenever a newlywed couple upload their picture on Facebook, Facebook just explodes. It's like 150 comments below the couple picture, all saying the same thing. Cute couple, cute couple, cute couple, cute couple, cute couple. Congrats, Congos, Congos, Congos. Ram ne manadi jodi made for each other, cute couple. Every couple is cute on Facebook. Itna success rate even the Mumbai Dabbawalas don't have. I want to see somebody go up there below a couple picture and post an honest comment. ये क्या कर दिया तूने? तेरा और नेहा का जोड़ी तो बेटर था. That's my time. Thank you so much. My name is Anirban Dasgupta.
My father gets the dead, dying, and unripe of every vegetable and fruit because it's cheaper. My mother has to conduct CPR on the vegetables before she could cook them. The nibus, when we make nibu paneer, nibus are so small, you have to aim to cut them. One day we opened the fridge, they were double the size, still solid green. We like, Papa ki to lottery lagi. We happily cut them open, santri nikli.